Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Deltaco smart garden lights and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for two different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these lights are not working right, or if they are not connecting to Wi-Fi, or they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if they're otherwise not responding, or if they seem frozen or whatever, we can go ahead and do a hard reset to the factory default settings to fix this issue. The other reason is if you want to set them up in a new location with a new Wi-Fi system and everything like that, it's good to just do a hard reset to clear out and delete all of the previous information. So if you want to do this, it's very easy to do. With them, where actually all of the thinking and everything comes from is this power switch right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the power button on here, and with power to it, we're going to press and do a long hold for a minimum of 5 seconds. And this will reset this device to the default settings.